What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your PS5 console. Now, I've already shown you how to do a normal factory reset using the interface, and I'll link that video down in the description below. But let's say your PS5 is frozen or for some reason you're unable to do the normal soft factory reset. You can perform a hard reset on your PS5. Now, first thing you want to do is switch off the console using the power button on the console itself. So press it, hold it in until you hear the second beep, and it's gonna prepare to turn off and eventually turn off the PS5. Now you want to give it a few seconds until it completely turns off. And now with the PS5 console turned off, you can try and restart to see if it solves the problem. And to restart, all you need to do is simply press on the power button once. Now, if you still want to hard reset the PS5, you want to go into safe mode. And to do that, simply press and hold the power button until you hear the first beep. So when you press it once, you'll hear the first beep immediately. Hold it in until you hear the second beep, and then you can release. All right, so let's go for it. Press and hold, first beep. Second beep, release. And this will basically put your PS5 in safe mode. Now at this point, connect your controller to the console using the USB cable. So put the cable in the console and the other end in your controller. And then press the PS button. And as soon as you do that, you should see the safe mode menu. Now from here, simply scroll down to Reset PS5. And it's going to tell you if you reset your PS5, all users and data will be deleted from the PS5. Are you sure you want to continue? All you need to do is flick right, select yes, and continue with the reset process. And that's basically how to perform a hard reset on your PS5 console. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.